I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Rogers to Virgin Canada, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you start, ensure your number is eligible for porting. You can do this by checking with Virgin Canada or looking at their website. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Rogers account number, PIN, and any personal details associated with your account. This info is crucial for a successful transfer. Step 3. Contact Virgin Canada. Reach out to Virgin Canada via the customer service or website to initiate the porting process. Provide them with the information you gathered in the previous step. Step 4. Confirm the porting request. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation. Make sure to check your email or messages for any updates. Sometimes you might need to verify your identity through text or call. Step 5. Wait for completion. The porting process can take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep your Rogers SIN card in your phone until the transfer is complete to avoid losing service. Switching carriers can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Good luck!